Let's go over how to make a club sandwich. It's a very popular sandwich, and here's the ingredients. 2 slices of bacon that have been cut in half and 3 slices of toast, ham, turkey, Swiss cheese, lettuce, some decorated toothpicks, mayonnaise, and tomato. Now let's start by taking 2 slices of bacon and cutting them in half and frying them. Let's make them a little bit crispy like this. And then let's take 3 slices of toast, put some mayonnaise on them, then some lettuce, then bacon on one of the slices, then tomato with a little bit of salt. Here comes the turkey on 2 slices, then the Swiss cheese also on 2 slices, now the ham, put a tomato on one of the slices, a little bit of salt also, and ham. Now here's where we put it together. Flip it over and it becomes the middle section, and we're going to put some mayonnaise on that as well and spread it evenly all the way to the edges of the bread. Now here's the top section. We're going to flip it over and press it down. Now we're going to make an X cut, kind of in a sawing action, and we're going to pin it down with the decorated toothpicks. So here's our first cut, and this plate might be too little, maybe putting it on a bigger plate. And you're going to want to serve this with, say, like potato salad or potato chips and maybe some kosher pickle spears. But let's get this part done. Yeah, I think this plate is a little bit too small. Well, here we are on a bigger plate, and naturally we're going to have to put some potato salad or some other things on there to make it pretty. Well, enjoy!